We are continuing our journey on putting in the hardwood floors, as you can see here. We have finished the closet. It's looking great. And what that means is I am going to be able to hang the double doors that we purchased a while back. Once I get those hung, I will be able to put in the closet organizers. I want to get the doors in first because I do not want the closet organizers in here and then me having to stand here and work on the framing around the door and the molding while the organizer is in the closet. Will just get in the way. So we're going to get the door on first, and then I'm going to come back and put in the closet organizer, which actually came today, a day early. So I'll be able to get a head start on that. You can see I have also moved my staging area for the hardwoods over to the flooring over here to free up all this space so I can put my next row of felt paper down. And then we are going to clean up this area over here so there's no dust once we get to putting the floors down over there. I'll still have to cut a bunch of wood with the jigsaw, but I may even just move that onto the hardwoods. Since it's just sawdust, that'll all vacuum up once we get to that point. So we are still moving forward. It's looking good, coming along nicely. That is a beautiful hardwood floor, I love it. But anyways, we are going to continue with part 2 here the next couple of days. It's dark out, so it's time to wrap up for the night, and we will see you next time. The flooring is still going quite well. We are getting close to the walls here, and you can see I'm about ready to move into the dormer area, which is a lot smaller. And I've cleared out my little workstation over there, cleaned it up, vacuumed it up, all the sawdust, and actually moved it over here. Once I start doing work over here, of course, there's going to be more sawdust on the ground, or on the floor rather, and we'll just clean that up at a later time once we're close to getting finished here. Anywho, I have to put more of the felt paper down. We're going to finish that off. As you can see, it's nighttime out, about 9 p.m. right now, but I figure I got about 2 more hours worth of work here. I want to get this done tonight for 2 reasons. Number one, daughter number 1 is home from school, and she is currently a cellar dweller sleeping on a mattress in our basement. Now, for those of you that have been to our house, our basement's pretty nice, but the fact that she's on a mattress on the floor in front of the big screen TV, it's almost like a slumber party for one. And that is making me highly motivated to get this room completed within the next 2 weeks so she doesn't have to sleep down there anymore. So daddy's little girl is not going to be a cellar dweller for too much longer. The other reason that I want to finish this room is because I want to focus back in on the closet over here. We have finished the flooring in daughter number 1's bedroom, and it looks great. Check it out. My 2-hour prediction earlier turned into 4 hours, so it's close to 1 a.m. in the morning. But we did get it done, which was my goal today, or this evening rather. And that's going to allow me to move on and put these French doors in. And I thought this was gonna be more parts, but it just ended up being 2 parts to this video because we were able to move this along pretty quickly. With that, I'm going to close 44 out, and we will move on to 45. So with that, peace out.